Get your hands ready to wave and we'll sing our song, Hello Everybody. Hello everybody, and how are you? How are you? Hello everybody, and how are you today? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's thumbs up. Can you do your thumbs up? Or your A-OK? I know you can. Hello everybody, and how are you? How are you? Hello everybody, and how are you today? Your thumbs up and A-OK. Get your hands ready. We'll start out medium fast. Clap, clap, clap. Swish, swish, swish. Roll, roll, roll. And tickle, tickle, tickle. That was good. And I bet you can do it faster. Let's do it faster. Clap, clap, clap. Swish, swish, swish. Roll, roll, roll. And tickle, tickle, tickle. All right. Nicely done. And how shall we do it next? Shall we do the super sneaky, quiet clapping? I think that's everybody's favorite. Let's try it. Yay! I knew you could do it. You guys have been practicing so much. Are you ready to do open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap? And you remember the creepy crawl, then goes down to your knees. A little tap, tap, tap. Let's sing together. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creepy crawl them, right down to your knees, knees, knees. Give your knees a little tap, then right back to your lap, lap, lap. Let's go a little faster. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Oh, very good. And there's one more song we have to sing before Miss Cindy comes with her book for story time. Can you get your books ready with your hands? And then think about reading your story. You can make any story up when you're reading your story, your pretend story. This is the way we read our books, read our books, read our books. This is the way we read our books so early in the morning.
Hello, Storytimers. How are you today? I hope you are fine. A-OK. Well, this week we're going to read some books about counting. Do you like to count? I like to count. It's so much fun to count. We can count our fingers, we can count our toes, we can count the steps we take, we can count all kinds of things. It's really a lot of fun to count. And today in our book, One Dark Bird, we're going to be counting birds. Do you see the dark picture on this cover? That bird is called a starling. And you probably see starlings sitting on the telephone wires. When you walk along your sidewalk and you look up and see the telephone poles and wires, a lot of times there's a dark bird sitting on that wire. They like to sit together. Sometimes there's just one, but sometimes there's more. So let's read our story, One Dark Bird, written by Liz Garton Scanlon, and see what these starlings like to do. Do you see all the dark birds on this picture? Wow, I don't think I can count that many. One dark bird, perched way up high, a view of town, a taste of sky. There he is, one starling. He's sitting in the tree and looking down at the town. Two birds more come winging by. Then three, then four. Flights multiply. More birds are coming. Five more swoop around a cloud. Warble, whistle, join the crowd. 5 birds. 6 soar brightly. 7 sweep. 8 will sing the sun to sleep. It's the afternoon and the sun's starting to get lower. Look at those birds. Then 9, then 10, from who knows where, till starling sounds fill up the air. Oh, when they're sitting together on those telephone wires, they make lots of noise talking to each other. 100 here, and there, fine feathered friends with sky to spare. Wow, look at all those birds. But suddenly, they're all alert. Danger's near, and flights divert. Oh, they're all flying together. They wheel away from hunting hawk. Single birds become a flock. They're all flying together to go away from the hawk. Waves like water, dark, then light, from down to up, then left to right. They're all flying together. A rush, a murmur, out turns in, a dot to dot, a corkscrew spin. Wow, they're doing some fancy flying. Whoosh. Flapping fervor, noisy clutch, they dance together without touch. They don't bump into each other until it's over. Falls apart, each flies alone, like at the start. Hundreds here, and then good night. They fly away with evening's light. They're all going home, till just a few float loose and free. 10 birds settle in a tree. 9 land here, and 8 dive there. 7 swing in still, sweet air. She's watching out her window. 6 sing softly. 5 just sigh. 4, then 3, then 2. Goodbye. 1 last bird perched way up high, a view of town, a taste of sky. And the starling says good night. I hope you enjoyed that book about the starlings flying together. That was really fun to see. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Can you think of any other animals? I'm going to hum and you can sing just whatever animal you can think of. And you can make that animal say good day and the sound that they make. Very good. I hope you had fun.
Did you sing along with Miss Kay? Did you sing when birds get up in the morning? They always say good day. Tweet, 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 tweet. That is what they say. You could pick a bird or any animal you like to sing a good day song. I hope you had fun doing it. We're so glad you watched us today. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.